All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to make a bulletin using our Cougar Bulletin system. So you're going to need the actual bulletin document. So we pull it up, and you're going to need the Excel file or the Sheets file of the EDHS Daily Bulletin request responses. So those two are open. So I go in, and the first thing I do is make a copy because we want to archive the previous day's bulletin. So we are going to call that Cougar Bulletin November. This one is for November 17th, 2017. And we are going to put that in the bulletin archive. And then once we get it, Cougar Bulletin, November 17, 2017, we click OK. I've already done this for this bulletin, so I don't want 2 copies to live there, so I'm going to pretend like I clicked OK. After you make the copy, then we are free to change the date. Our first day back from break is going to be Monday, November 27, 2017. So the first thing I do is I change the date. Monday, November 27th. Okay? So after I change the date, we go to our bulletin request responses. And we go here not to this one is the one that gets copied to the bulletin. If you try to delete in the green section here, it will come back. It's protected, so you can't delete it. The only way you can delete is using the second sheet here, this purple sheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the expired announcements. So when we look at 4 and 5, we select the ones that are expired, and we go to, I just go to edit and delete, and it deletes them off of our list. I also kind of look through, I'm going to keep, because this is the Christmas tree farm, and this is where you have to edit. I'm going to keep this in the bulletin because I don't see, this event is happening, if you look, the Christmas tree is on the East Campus, and it's December 2nd, so sometimes people make mistakes in the dates they put it in the bulletin. So I'm going to keep it there through next week so that people know to come on December 2nd. And then, so that Friday, December 1st, I'll then delete this off. That way they can get advertising for their event. Okay, so now that we have everything updated, we go to so everything looks good. These two are for Monday. So we go here, and we click, it says update table. So if we click update table, boop, it's going to update our table with the announcements that are currently pending. And if you look, oh, right, here's that Christmas tree announcement, so, which I wasn't able to see, it's down here. So if you can see, some of them bled through, so I'm going to double check. It is for some reason populating beyond, so I'm going to, anything past football meeting at lunch, I'm going to delete back off this. Boop. So now we have everything that's going to be happening on Monday. So then you read through, double check. Remember, we don't need this Christmas tree one, so we delete the row that we don't need. It gets deleted here, and then we update our table, and then we double check anything after football we don't need. Okay. And so if everything looks good and it matches the bulletin requests, okay, we've got each one, then you're good to send out the bulletin. So what I do is you can do it through Google Docs. So you can I go to my mail, I search bulletin, and I go to the previous email, copy, send it out to EDHS, subject bulletin, and paste it. And then I'm not going to send it because that would be sending the bulletin to the entire school. But then you click send and it's good to go. All right, and that's how you put together a bulletin.